We have two rectangles overlapping and creating a rhombus in the middle, and we're told that the area of this rhombus is 5/8 of the area of each rectangle. And we're asked for the ratio of the length of the longer side of the rectangle to the length of the shorter side. So let's get these down. I'm going to write this one as A, and then the longer side, the base, as B. So I'm also going to say that the base of the rhombus is X, and then the area of the rhombus is base times height, so XA. And that is going to equal 5/8 of the area of the rectangle, which is going to be B times A. I can divide through by A and see that X is actually 5/8 of B. To be fair, you might have been able to spot this without doing such a calculation because they got the same height, and so the only way the area can be 5/8 is if the base is 5/8 of the rectangle. Then this is going to be 3/8 of B, because in total it's equal to B. I've just done B minus 5/8 of B. But here's the thing, because it's a rhombus, then this length here must also be 5/8 of B. And I've gone and constructed, well, I can see we've got a right angle triangle. This is a right angle where the base is 3/8 of B and the hypotenuse is 5/8 of B. Now we want to work out this missing length because then we've got A in terms of B and we can write down the ratio. Now there is a quick way to do this. It is worth being aware of the 3, 4, 5 triangle for Pythagoras. If you ever see any, like, for example, if you had a 6, 8 triangle, then it must be that the hypotenuse is 10 because they're in the same ratio. So you get this Pythagorean triple. 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Then you can double it, double all the lengths. You could triple all the lengths, so 15 squared plus 12 squared. Sorry, 9 squared plus 12 squared is 15 squared, and so on. It's actually a similar thing going on here. So we can actually divide through by 8. 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. And you can even times through by a b. And what I'm trying to say is the shorter side is therefore going to be 4/8 b. The long way, it's absolutely fine if you don't spot that. The long way is going to be to apply Pythagoras' theorem. It's going to be 5/8 b all squared minus 3/8 b all squared. You can just see it's a little bit more complicated, but it's going to work out. This will give 25/64 b squared minus 9/64 b squared, all square rooted, which will give 16/64 b squared, square rooted. I could simplify the fraction. In fact, I'm not going to. I'm going to square, they're both square numbers, so I'm going to square root each of them. I'm going to get 4/8. Then I square root the b squared as well, 4/8 b, which is the answer that I had before. So we're nearly there. We were asked for the ratio of the length of the longer side to the shorter side. So it's going to be B to A. We just found out that A here is equal to 4/8 B, which by the way is also is a half B if we simplify it. So it's going to be B to a half B. Divide through by B to give 1 to a half. Simplify this, 2 to 1.